Hey guys, how are you doing today? In this session, we are going to look at the Postman collections. We are also going to look at how we can add our HTTP request into a collection, add folders to the collection, how we can fork an external collection, and sharing our collections and running the collections. We are going to look at all of that. So if you remember in previous videos where we have created multiple HTTP requests like get, post, put, patch, delete. So if you want to save these HTTP requests to the collection, what you can do is you can click on this save button right here. So this particular request is get list of users. So if I just send it, I am getting a list of users at page number 2. So if I click on save, so I need to give a name to this request, right? So as it is, I need to give a name of a request as a noun because get is a verb. So I need to give a name as a noun. So list of users I'll give by because get list of users. Get is a HTTP method, right? So this is my request name and I will save it to collection. So I have a button right here, create a collection. I'll click on it. So let's give a name to collection as RES collection and I'll just click on create. The collection is created and I can save this request to there. So this is one way to create a collection. You can also create a collection from right from here. If I click plus button right here, it will ask me to give a name of collection like that. All right. So our collection has been created and the get request has been added here, get list of users. Similarly, let's add this request as well, which is getting a single user. So I'll just save this, okay, and name it as single user. Okay, so this I'll just save it. So this is also going into the RES collection, get single user. Now we have a post request here. Let's save it, and then post is like create a user, right? So I'll just write it here as create user. No, user. And now here it is saying save to which collection. So if you have another collection, it will be listed here. You can search your collection here directly, or right now this collection is selected. That's why I'll just click on save. So as you can see, all of these requests have been listed under a collection, correct? Now, two of these requests are get request. If I want to put it into one single folder, what I can do that. So I can just click on these 3 dots right here and I can create a folder from here. So I'll just create a new folder. I'll give the name as get requests. So I can club all of my get requests into this. I'll just drag and drop here all of these 2 get requests. So they will be clubbed under get requests. So I can create another folder for post as well. So this is for better maintainability, guys. So post requests. So I can just put it right here. All right. This is how we can create a different folders. Okay. So next is we saw how to create a request, create a folder, how to fork a collection. So forking a collection means if any collection is already available, we can fork it to our workspace. So let's click on explore right here. So when we click on explore, our public collections will be available to us. So if any public collection is there, we can fork it. So you can see the fork button is available right here, right? So public API integration, this is one of the collection. If I click on fork, and now it is saying that fork creates a copy of the collection and enables you to perform changes without affecting the original, right? So this is a public collection. I can fork it, right? So I can give a label and workspace. So I'm just keeping the workspace as this workspace which we were working, right? So I can just click on fork collection. After that, fork is created. I can see it. So in this I am having 2 collections right now. One is RES collection which we have created, and another one is this public API integration which we just forked. So from this also I can make a request directly. So to make a request, we have to first fork the collection, right? And I can also delete the collection. To do that, I can just click right here and scroll down. I can delete that collection as well. So delete, right? So once the collection is deleted, if you want to recover it, you can recover it from trash. On the footer, you have something called trash. If you click on this one, then it will tell you, okay, these are the things which were deleted earlier. So if you want to recover it, you can just restore here and then restore to the workspace, restore collection. It will be restored. We'll go back. So I can see it again. It came here, right? So this is how you do the restore of the collection. So fork we have seen. Sharing the collection is also, if you just go down here and you can export the collection, right? You can export the collection. That's how you do it. So I can once I click on export collection, I am having an option to share this collection right here. So I can share it to the email, by email or group name. That is how I can share it, so that if I have another team, they can use this collection. I'm just clicking on cancel. The next one is, we'll see how to run a collection. So we can run our collection, like multiple requests are present under this collection. So I can run it. We have an option right here, run collection. If we click on it, we have three options: run manually, or we can schedule the runs, or we can automate the runs using command line. So we will see these two options in subsequent parts of the video. So as of now, we'll run this collection manually. If I run this collection right now manually, so as you can see, all of these three requests got executed as of now. So list user, I'm getting status as 200. Okay, all of that, it is done. As of now, we haven't created any tests for each of this request. That we'll see in little part of the videos, in upcoming videos. So each of the tests, if they have passed or failed, we can see it here. All right. If any test case is passed or failed or skipped, we can see it here. So that is all about collection, guys. Thanks for joining in.